skip this?
Hey, pretty baby, am I in your way? Cause you walked out so fast yesterday. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, no, no. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna dance all night, forget my problems. I might go insane. I don't really give a damn what they say. And now you know it. Hey, little lady said you feel the same, but I don't believe a word you say. Cause I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, no, no. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna I just wanna be with you. I just wanna dance all night, forget my problems. I might.
Here they are. In the right spot.
You're just here today, helping Papa.
But you're in my way.
Oh, that was easy. Okay, you take this off. Good job, this one. See? Take that off. That was a little tight.
Looks the same, huh?
Yeah, they look the same. And then you gotta have somebody to who wipes your sweat, which is. Oh, this one is the different one, hon. The brakes. Helps out, she cleans that. And then this one needs to come off.
Papa needs two
Mommy,
assistants.
I'm right here.
What is it?
Oops. Take this off. Oh, they're still pretty thick.
I told you, some of them are still like that.
Yeah, Mommy did that.
Well, Jed is doing a good job cleaning the rotor. Good job, Jed. Careful, it's hot, okay? Papa, put it down.
And now you know it. Hey, little lady said you feel the same, but I don't believe a word you say.
Look at Papa. Changing brakes and stuff. Diagnosing the car. Are you a nurse or a mechanic?
I know. I'm just.
Nurse
Every
slash
time.
mechanic slash equipment operator.
Yeah. So, tidying things up now.
Just change those brakes pad.
Yeah. Hand tight. See how I did that, Mommy?
Huh?
See how I did that? So if you guys want your brake pads replaced, hook me up. Are cheap?
How much do you charge?
You have to consult my manager.
Well, how much do you get paid for your per hour as a nurse?
Oh yeah, that's a good idea. You need to put an AC up in here though.
Yeah, I would say no sweat, but you it does sweat.
Crazy sweating.
Papa has that salt and pepper.
Yeah.
There. I like it.
Alright, I think that's good. That's hand tight. Let's go to the other one. We're done.
What?
There's extra parts though.
I hope that's not.
I know.
You're not missing parts.
I mean,
Making
there's
you-
only 2.
Making you doubt your work.
I'll take these off because that thing is in the way. Oh, I think I can just do this. What? Do you see that?
What?
See how I did that right there? That's some skills, baby. You gotta be careful with that brake line. If that thing pops, we're done. Put that baby back in there. Like so.
Gadget's here with us, just waiting for his pizza and bowling. Here's Papa fixing the rotor.
Yeah, it's both in because I accidentally taped it in.
Look at his sweat. Going in though. Hey, Papa's putting the new rotor. But are you sure? Because you don't want to have to go through that again later.
Huh? Double glove it.
Double glove like you're in surgery.
Yeah. Lube this up.
Is that same as ours?
The grease?
The lube or no?
Yeah, it's the same.
You can't be in 2 places in one time, you know.
There.
Greasing it. It's a new rotor.
Anything for lovely customers. Yeah.
Yeah. New rotors.
I learned this from YouTube. Keep it in
YouTube.
place when I put the brakes in.
YouTube University.
Yeah.
Show us again how that's done.
Sure. Here's the hard part here.
So serious.
No. This is business, girl. Gotta find a hole.
So you have to lube it every now and then.
That's the deal. Oh man, I need glasses.
Huh?
I need glasses. My rear blurry. My near view. My view is terrible. Rowdy tidy. Let me raise this up. So annoying.
Up, up, up. Up, up, up.
See how I did there? Slip that up. Oh, where did my bolt go?
It's up there. That one?
Huh? Oh, the other one.
Maybe it's still there.
Still up here.
What would you do without me?
I would have been cussing now. Cussing my.
Now Papa's putting the brake pads.
This is the technique that I learned from the other shop. See that? That. Brand new brakes and brand new pads.
Brand new rotors.
Alright, that's it. Brake pads changed. Woohoo!
That saved us $300.
I know, right? Crazy. Oh yeah. Voila. Masterpiece.
Gadget, can you move over there?
Hey.
I don't care
hawakan mo siya na ano yung damit niya. Nilagyan ng itim.
Oh.